مرحبا بكم في قناة Tuts التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. الوحدة الثانية. Things we wear، أشياء نلبسها. انظروا إلى هذه المحادثة، يتحدثون عن ملابسهم.
Hi, Safruta. Hi. Wow, I like your hat. Thank you. Whose hat is this? It's not mine. It's mine. Thank you. You're welcome.
I like your hat. أعجبت بقبعتك. Whose hat is this؟ لمن هذه القبعة؟ It's not mine. ليست لي. It's mine. Thank you. لي. شكرا لك. 3. Listen, point and number, then say. استمع، أشر ورقم، ثم قل التالي. الآن هذه أدوات السؤال. whose لمن، who من، what ماذا، white أبيض.
Are you ready? Listen and number first. 1. Who. 2. Whose. 3. What. 4. White. Who. Whose. What. White. Listen, read, and say. Who's wearing white?
The girl's wearing white.
Who's wearing white؟ من الذي يلبس الأبيض؟ The girl's wearing white. البنت تلبس الأبيض. 4. Ask your classmates about people's belongings. اسأل رفقائك في الصف عن ممتلكاتهم. نأخذها منهم ثم نقول whose hat is this؟ لمن هذه القبعة؟ فتقول مالكتها it's mine. Thank you.
Are you ready? Let's start. Whose hat is this?
It's mine. Thank you.
Whose bag is this?
It's mine. Thank you.
Whose eraser is this?
It's mine. Thank you.
Whose book is this?
It's not mine. It's mine. Thank you.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
I can. أستطيع القيام بالتالي. Ask whose وأقول الشيء في المنتصف is this. Whose bag is this مثلا. لمن هذه الحقيبة. Meet someone and say I like your hat. أن أقابل شخصا وأقول له أعجبت بقبعتك مثلا. Rhythms and listening. Chant and clap the rhythm. الآن قم بإنشاد هذه الأنشودة وصفق معها.
Green, 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 green. Who is wearing green today? Green, 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 green. Who is wearing green? I am wearing green today. Look at me and you will see that I am wearing green today.
Who is wearing green؟ من يلبس الأخضر، فيتدرب إلى أن يقول I am wearing green today. أنا ألبس الأخضر. Look at me. انظروا إلي and you will see. وسترون I am wearing green today. That I am wearing green today. يمكن تغيير اللون في كل مرة، وكل مرة يتدرب طالب يقول اللون الذي يلبسه. 2. Listen, point and say. استمع، أشر وقل. Then write the missing letters. اكتب الحروف الناقصة. سنتدرب على green وجر grass. ماذا عن الأسفل؟
Green, green, grass, grass.
Green, Green. Grass. Grass.
Green grass. Green grass.
Green grass. Green grass. The grass is green. It's great. The grass is green. It's great. The grass is green. It's great. The grass is green. It's great.
3. Ask about the colors your classmates are wearing. اسأل عن الألوان التي يلبسها زملائك في الصف. Who's wearing blue today? من يلبس الأزرق اليوم؟ He is. I am. I'm not. إنه هو. I am. أنا. I'm not. لست أنا. ماذا عن بقية الألوان؟
Are you ready? Let's start.
Who's wearing blue today? I am. I'm not. He is. You're it. Okay. Who's wearing red today? I am. I'm not. I'm it.
Okay. Good. Let's play for real.
Who's wearing green today? Who's wearing orange today? Who's wearing red today? Who's wearing blue today? Who's wearing green today? Who's wearing brown today? I can. أستطيع. Chant the who is wearing green. وأقول هذه الأنشودة. Chant. Say the 3 colors that I'm wearing today. وأسمي 3 ألوان أنا ألبسها اليوم. Words in action. كلمات تدل على أفعال. Listen, point and say. استمع وأشر وردد هذه الأنشودة مثلا.
Hey boys, let's chant. I'm wearing a cap, sunglasses, a t-shirt, a jacket, and jeans. Hey girls, let's chant. I'm wearing a hat, a blouse, a sweater, a skirt, and shoes. Boys, let's chant again. I'm wearing a cap, sunglasses, a t-shirt, a jacket, and jeans. Girls, let's chant again. I'm wearing a hat, a blouse, a sweater, a skirt, and shoes.
A cap قبعة. Sunglasses نظارات شمسية. A t-shirt قميص. A jacket جاكيت على القميص. jeans الجينز. بينما هنا 6. A hat قبعة. A blouse بلوزة. A sweater وعلى البلوزة a sweater كنزة a skirt تنورة و shoes وهي الأحذية. 3. Listen and touch the right picture. Use 2 hands. استمع وأشر على الصورة الملائمة. استعمل يديك.
Let's practice first.
I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a dress. A blouse. A cap. Shoes. Sandals. Pants. Glasses.
Let's do it faster.
I'm wearing a shirt, pants, a cap. I'm wearing glasses, a dress, shoes. What? Once more, please. I'm wearing a shirt, pants, a cap. I'm wearing glasses, a dress, shoes. I can't remember.
هل يمكنك لعب هذه اللعبة أن تقول 3 أشياء وزميلك يؤشر عليها أو يرددها؟ What؟ ماذا؟ Once more please. مرة أخرى كرر. I can't remember. لا يمكنني التذكر. I can. أستطيع. Say the names of 5 things that you can wear. أسمي 5 أشياء يمكن لبسها. Name 2 things I'm wearing. أسمي شيئين لابسهما. Saying I'm wearing وأقول أنا لابس وأقول الشيئين هذين. I'm wearing a t-shirt and shoes today. Phonics النطق. Listen, read and say. استمع واقرأ وكرر هذه الحروف والكلمات.
P says parrot. P says pen. P says panda. B says bear. B says banana. B says bed.
P says parrot. P says pen. P says panda. B says bear. B says banana. B says bed.
To listen and say and match, then write the missing letters. أقرن هذه الحروف أو الكلمات ثم اكتب الحروف الناقصة.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. P says pen. Pen.
P says pen. Pen.
PL says plane. Plane.
PL says plane. Plane.
PL says plate. Plate.
PL says plate. Plate.
B says bed. Bed.
B says bed. Bed.
BL says blue. Blue.
BL says blue. Blue.
BL says black. Black.
BL says black. Black.
Plane. Plate. Blue. Black. Now listen and write the letters. The plate is blue. The plate is blue.
3. Hold a tissue in front of your mouth and say the words. امسك منديلا أمام فمك وقل هذه الكلمات. متى يتحرك المنديل؟ هل هو في حرف P أو حرف B؟
Pen. See, it moves. Banana. It doesn't move much. Now you try.
Pen. Wow, it moves. Banana. Parrot. Bear. Panda. Bed. Plane. Blue. Plate. Black.
نطق حرف ال P عادة يتحرك المنديل ولكن ال B لا يتحرك. I can أستطيع tell if the words start with P or B. أفرق بين الحرفين التي يبدأ بهما الكلمات أو الحروف الصوتية P و B. Say 2 words that begin with P وأسمي كلمتين تبدأان ب P and 2 words that begin with B وكلمتين تبدأ بحرف ال B. Advice time. Dress neatly. البس بشكل منظم.